My name is Michelle Torok, and I am with the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part of my job is to help them get to that next place where they can find their forever home.
I'm Matthew Fry, I'm with the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part of my job is the satisfaction of my clients. To see them happy, be it a seller, buyer, or a lease client, is just finding them the right property and to see them smile.
I'm Tiffany Stanley, and I work with the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part of my job is being able to help someone, no matter whether that's selling their home or whether that's helping them purchase a home.
My name is Joan Wilson. I'm with the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part would be, there's many, witnessing a first-time buyer buying their first home.
My name is Jen Doyle, and I am a team member of the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part of my job is working with all of the agents of the Will Scott Group and being their support and helping them with all the documents that go along with purchasing a house.
Hi, I'm Rachel Scott with the Will Scott Group. The most rewarding part of my job is helping my clients, whether it's a buyer or seller, find that home.
Hi, I'm Will Scott. I'm the CEO of the Will Scott Group here at Regency Real Estate Brokers. One of the most rewarding parts of my job are helping clients secure a piece of property for their families to leave a legacy for them for years and years to come. It's a big decision, and it's something that we take very, very serious here at the Will Scott Group.